Partial correlation is correlation between two variables when all other variables are controlled. Suppose there are more than two variables, let it be output, seeds, rainfall, or output, seeds, rainfall, quality of soil. But I find out correlation between two variables, that is, let it be output and seeds, controlling the effect of rainfall, then this is partial correlation. Suppose I find out correlation between output and seeds controlling the effect of rainfall and quality of soil, then it is also a partial correlation and it is depicted as R12.34. I have calculated correlation between output and seeds, that is X1 and X2, that is R12, and controlling the effect of rainfall and soil quality, that is X3 and X4, that is 3, 4. Variables after this dot, they are controlled variables, and variables before dot are the variables in which correlation is calculated. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next is multiple correlation. Multiple correlation when there are more than two variables and we find out correlation between all the variables simultaneously. Suppose there are three variables, output, seeds, rainfall, and I find out correlation between all the three variables, output, seed, rainfall, simultaneously, then this is called as multiple correlation. In this case, we always assume that one variable is effect variable and other variables are cause variables. Here I have taken X1, that is output, as a effect variable, and seeds and rainfall, they are affecting the output. So which is the effect variable is taken before dot, and the variables which are the cause variables, they are taken after the dot. R12.3, R1.23, sorry, R1.23. Then linear correlation, then association between variables, they are linearly related. What does linearly related means? This power of X is always 1. Power of X is always 1. Non-linear correlation, when the variables are non-linearly correlated, here power of X is more than 1. Here, let it be, here power of X is 2. It can be 3, X cube, it can be under root X, that is X raised to power 1/2. These are the non-linear correlations. Suppose I take it like Y is equal to 2 plus 3x, 2 plus 3x, right? Here, if I take the value of x as 1, then y will be 5, right? If I take the value of x as 2, then y will be 8. So on. Okay, if I take the value of x as 3, then y will be 11, right? There is constant gap, that is of 3, right? This is linear correlation. But in case of non-linear correlation, if I take x is equal to 1, suppose the equation is this one. Here I have taken x square, right? Now if x is 1, then y will be equal to 5, right? Substitute कर आप इसमें करके देख सकते हो. When you will substitute x as 1, then the calculations after calculating y will be equal to 5. If I take x is equal to 2, then value of y will be 2 square 4 into 3 12 plus 2 14, right? If I take it as 3, then 3 square 9 into 3 27 plus 2 29.
29.
Right? That means the change between the variables when x is uniformly changes, that is, there is constant difference in x. X from 1 to 2, that is difference of 1. From 2 to 3, that is difference of 1. But y, that is not constantly changing. Here it changes from 5 to 14, that is difference of 9. Then it changes from 14 to 29, that is difference of 15. Right? That is, there is not a constant change, then it is a non-linear correlation. Clear?
Hanji, ma'am.
Perfect correlation, when degree of correlation is either +1 or -1. If it is +1, then it is perfect positive correlation. If it is -1, then it is perfect negative correlation, right?
हाँ जी,
Imperfect correlation, then correlation between two variables is in between 0 and 1. Let it be 0.25, 0.3, 0.4. That is, it is not perfect. Perfect means when change in one variable is associated with constant change in another variable, either in same direction or in opposite direction, right? Either in same direction or in opposite direction. Agar same direction में change है, then it will be +1. If it changes in opposite direction, then it will be -1. Zero correlation, when coefficient of correlation between two variables is 0, right? That means they are not related to each other at all. Actually, we can't say that zero correlation is when they are not related to each other. But if I say that R is equal to 0, R, let it be a Karl-Pearson coefficient of correlation, then Karl-Pearson coefficient of correlation that measures only linear correlation. If the variables are non-linearly related to each other, even then R will be equal to 0, right? If there is only non-linear relation between two variables, then also R will be equal to 0, but we can't say that there is zero correlation. Correlation exists between two variables, but R is 0 in that case. Suppose I take the example like this. I have values of X and Y. Values of X are like -2, Y is equal to X square, non-linear correlation. Non-linear correlation, Y is equal to X square. Okay, this all is in form of suppose X is -2, Y will be equal to 4 in this case, right? Suppose X is -1, Y will be equal to 1 in this case. Suppose X is equal to 0, Y will be equal to
0.
Suppose X is 1, Y will be equal to 1.
1.
X is equal to 2, Y will be equal to 4, right? If I will calculate Karl-Pearson coefficient of correlation between these variables, then correlation will come out to be 0. Here, coefficient of correlation, Karl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation will be 0. Karl-Pearson coefficient of correlation will be 0. But actually, we can't say that correlation is 0. हम इसमें ये नहीं ना कह सकते कि कोरिलेशन 0 है. कोरिलेट तो कर रहे हैं वेरिएबल्स आपस में, कोरिलेट तो किए हैं यहाँ पे वेरिएबल्स, राइट?
हाँ जी.
Clear? The next is हाँ जी, positive correlation. Positive correlation is when change in one variable is associated with change in another variable in same direction. When change in one variable, it is associated with change in another variable in same direction. What does it mean? Suppose I try to find out correlation between prices and supply or income and consumption. Then if there will be increase in income, then consumption will automatically increase. Similarly, if there is increase in price, supply will automatically increase. Ceteris paribus, no doubt, keeping other things constant, right? But negative correlation is when change in one variable is associated with change in another variable in opposite direction. Suppose price increases, then demand will decrease, keeping other things constant. Law of demand, simple. then it is there will be negative correlation, right? Clear?
हाँ
The
जी मैम.
types of correlation are clear to you?
Yes मैम.
Ginny? Ginny, is it clear to
हाँ
you?
जी मैम.
Okay.
हाँ जी मैम.
Any doubts till now? Any doubts? Okay. Then next we have to do methods of measurement of correlation. Basically, there are 5 methods of measurement of correlation. First two are their graphic method. First is called as scatter plot diagram method. Second one is
मैम
graphic.
लिटिल बिट स्क्रीन ब्रॉड कर दीजिए, थोड़ा सा जूम कर दीजिए.
Okay. Okay. एक मिनट, इसमें परसेंटेज बढ़ाई जा सकती है. Now is it visible?
यस मैम.
Clear है?
हाँ जी मैम.
Okay. Beta, what are the methods of measurement of correlation? Methods of measurement of correlation means how you can calculate coefficient of correlation. That is, you have to measure that what is the degree of association between the two variables. What is nature of association between the two variables? That is, whether the two variables are associated in same direction or in opposite direction. Whether there is positive correlation or negative correlation. Whether there is perfect correlation or imperfect correlation. All this is nature of correlation. Degree means, let it be if it is 0.45, 0.25, that is absolute value in which they are related to each other. This is called as measurement of correlation. It can be done with the help of 5. These are the 5 methods which I have given here. First is scatter plot diagram method and graphic method. Both of these are graphic method. They are used, here nature of correlation is calculated, absolute value, degree of correlation can't be calculated here. We can just know whether they are positively correlated or negatively correlated. We can just calculate this, right? And Karl-Pearson correlation method, it is used when variables are metric. Spearman rank correlation method, it is used when the variables are non-metric, that is ranks are given. Concurrent deviation method is also used when the variables are non-metric. बेटा इतना आपने पहले कर लेना, आगे मैं कल करवाऊंगी, ठीक है? इतना आप पहले कर लो.
हाँ जी.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्लास का मेरा टाइम हो गया है बेटा. सबको को गिन्नी आज आप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लो, शिवानी और गिन्नी, कि सबको कॉल कर टाइमली आ जाए. ठीक है?
यस मैम. श्योर. हाँ जी.
ओके बच्चे, ऑल द बेस्ट.
मैम हमारा एग्जाम होगा ना 16 को?
नई डेट शीट भी,
डेट शीट आ गई हुई है, साइट पर चेक करो शिवानी.
16 को ही है ना
बेटा? अब ये तो मुझे नहीं पता कि एग्जैक्टली तब होगा कि नहीं, पर यूनिवर्सिटी में तो अभी तक डेट शीट निकाल दिया. इसका मतलब वो कंसिडर करके चलो ना कि होगा आपका एग्जाम डेट को.